Hello, everyone. I'm Jeff Bier, founder of the Edge AI and Vision Alliance, formerly the Embedded Vision Alliance. I welcome you to this 2020 Vision Product of the Year award ceremony hosted by the Edge AI and Vision Alliance. The Edge AI and Vision Alliance is a partnership of companies focused on using computer vision and Edge AI to solve real-world problems. The Alliance's mission is twofold. First, we work to inspire and empower product creators to build better systems and applications using computer vision and Edge AI, for example, through our extensive education programs. Second, we work to help companies find their best opportunities in this space, for example, by providing them with timely insights into important technology and market trends, and by providing matchmaking services to connect companies with suppliers, investors, customers, and other partners. If you'd like more information about the Edge AI and Vision Alliance, please visit our website. I want to thank all of the member companies of the Edge AI and Vision Alliance whose support makes the Alliance's programs like the Vision Product of the Year Awards possible. Thank you. If you use Edge AI or computer vision technology for real-world problems, or if you provide building block technologies for others to use in computer vision and Edge AI applications, you'll want to attend the Embedded Vision Summit. It's the only conference and exhibition 100% focused on incorporating computer vision and Edge AI into products. This year, the Embedded Vision Summit will take place as an online event in September. It offers top quality presentations and opportunities to learn about the latest commercially available building block technologies. For details, please visit the Embedded Vision Summit website. As part of our mission of advancing computer vision and Edge AI technology for solving real-world problems, the Edge AI and Vision Alliance launched the Vision Product of the Year Awards program 3 years ago. There's a tremendous amount of innovation taking place in our industry, and it's virtually impossible to comprehend all of the new products being introduced. The purpose of the Vision Product of the Year Awards is to shine a light on a few of the most important new products emerging in this fast-moving space. We award top honors to just one company in each of 5 categories: AI processors, cameras and sensors, AI software and algorithms, developer tools, and automotive solutions. The award winners are selected by our panel of independent judges. We've hand-selected these judges because each of them meets 3 criteria. Number 1, they're experienced technologists with subject matter knowledge. 2, they're accomplished business people who understand the business side of technology. And number 3, they're people of high integrity. I want to thank our judges for giving their time and expertise to make this program possible. Thank you. And now, I'm very happy to announce and introduce the winning companies and products in each of the 5 Vision Product of the Year categories. We'll hear very briefly from each winning company, including a short one question Q&A with the company representative and a 1 to 2 minute video from each company. Then in the second half hour, you'll have an opportunity to speak directly with representatives of the winning companies and ask your questions. The winner of the 2020 Vision Product of the Year Award for Best AI Processor is NVIDIA for the Jetson Nano. Here to accept the award for NVIDIA is Barry Mullins, Director of Technical Product Marketing. Barry, welcome and congratulations.
Thank you, Jeff. We're very excited and honored to receive this award.
Barry, I'm struck that the Nano has a tremendous amount of processing power for an embedded processor. And I also noticed that developers, for example, deploying applications using deep neural networks increasingly have access to techniques that reduce the processing power requirements, things like deep neural network pruning and quantization. And so this makes me wonder, why do we need all this processing power, and who needs it? What kinds of applications need it?
Jeff, that's a really good question. And machine learning capability is driven by innovation in three areas that we see: processing power, data, and algorithms. And Nano does bring significant processing power in an efficient, compact form factor, and the optimization techniques you mentioned help customers achieve even more with the module. But Jetson Nano lets customers deploy, low latency applications that run multiple high accurate AI models in parallel. And today's latest models trained with today's data. But with the processing power of Nano, customers will be able to run tomorrow's models with tomorrow's data, benefiting from algorithmic efficiencies, improvements, and deploying even more capability to their Jetson Nano-based devices. So
it makes good sense.
Whether it's today or tomorrow, we've given them the ability to scale, and AI requires updating and modification over time.
Yeah, certainly those of us who have experience developing products know that it's rare for the marketing department to come to us and say, we need less features. We need fewer features and less functionality, right? It's usually the other way around. Now we'll see a short video to tell us a little bit about the Jetson Nano.
Hi, I'm Barry Mullins, Director of Technical Product Marketing for Jetson and Autonomous Machines at NVIDIA. We're honored that our Jetson Nano received the award for Best AI Processor. Today's edge AI developers are facing challenges like the growing complexity of neural networks, the need for full software stack acceleration, and the ability to manage edge AI systems and software at scale. Our GPU-accelerated platforms address these challenges using NVIDIA's world-class architecture to accelerate both today's and tomorrow's algorithms. Jetson Nano is a great example of this commitment to our developer community. It delivers the power of GPU acceleration in a small form factor system on module running on just 5 watts. Plus, it features a comprehensive software stack that makes edge AI deployment on autonomous machines fast, reduces complexity, and speeds time to market. The Jetson Nano is part of a complete family of products that supports cloud-native capabilities like microservices, containers, and orchestration. This lets developers, makers, and educators quickly create, deploy, and manage their systems over the changing edge AI landscape and the lifecycle of their products. Jetson is supported by a broad range of partners delivering sensors, hardware, software, and services to accelerate applications and the use of AI. Here you can see some great examples of what our community is doing with Jetson Nano. Thank you again for this award, and we look forward to seeing what you will create.
Thanks, Barry.
Thank you, Jeff, and to the team there. We really appreciate it.
You'll have an opportunity to talk with Barry and other members of the NVIDIA Jetson Nano team in our Q&A session immediately following the awards ceremony. Next, the winner of the 2020 Vision Product of the Year Award for Best Camera or Sensor is iniVation for the Dynamic Vision Platform. Here to accept the award for iniVation is Kainan Eng, CEO. Kainan, welcome and congratulations.
Thanks very much, Jeff, to you, the association, the Alliance. It's a great honor for us, especially as a small startup at the very beginning of our journey. It's a real honor to be on the same virtual platform as our illustrious colleagues.
Kainan, I've been watching neuromorphic technology in vision for a few years, and it seems like it's been really fascinating, but mainly a research topic, not so much deployed commercially. What gave you guys at iniVation the idea that this is the right time for commercial deployment of neuromorphic computer vision?
Yeah, so we've been in this field for a long time, right? The founders of the company literally invented neuromorphic vision. And so you're right, it was a research topic for a long time. But over the years, we've basically broken down the barriers to mass adoption. The first one, which is very important, is that we did a deal with Samsung. So now we have sensors which are certified for deployment in mass products. The second thing is that we reduced the difficulty of producing applications with our dynamic vision platform. This is basically a software platform which enables people to not worry about how the sensor works, but on building their applications. And through working with our hundreds of customers and partners, we've identified a number of use cases which we'll be following with a number of first application announcements in the second half of this year.
That's really great. Congratulations. Now we'll see a short video to tell us a little bit more about the dynamic vision platform from iniVation.
Hi, my name is Kainan Eng. I'm co-founder and CEO at iniVation. And it's a great honor for us to win the 2020 Vision Product of the Year in the category of cameras and sensors. At iniVation, our neuromorphic vision technology is enabling a whole new class of intelligent autonomous systems. These systems will have order of magnitude improvements in speed and power efficiency compared with what is available on current devices. To enable developers to realize the potential of our new technology, we created the Dynamic Vision Platform. The Dynamic Vision Platform allows users to build applications using our sensors, using a modular, high-performance graphical C++ framework. It's available on Windows, Mac, and Linux, and is open source. We now have a user community of over 300 organizations around the world, including global top 10 players in automotive, consumer electronics, and automation. Together with our customers and our sensor production partner Samsung, we are looking forward to bringing the power of our neuromorphic sensing and processing technology to real-world applications.
You'll have an opportunity to learn more about iniVation's Dynamic Vision Platform in the Q&A session immediately following the awards presentation. Thanks, Kainan.
Thanks very much, Jeff.
Next, the winner of the 2020 Vision Product of the Year Award for Best AI Software or Algorithm is Morpho for semantic filtering. Here to accept the award for Morpho is Toshi Torihara, Vice President. Toshi, welcome and congratulations to you and the Morpho team.
Thank you, Jeff. It is my honor to be here and receive this award. Thank you.
So Toshi, I was struck that semantic filtering is a clever combination of deep neural network techniques where you use DNNs to understand what is the content of an image, what is a face, what is hair, what is a furniture, and so on. And then you use classical image processing techniques to improve the quality or the appearance of those different regions of the image, depending on what is represented in those different regions. We've seen, of course, deep neural networks become really popular in computer vision in the last few years. And I'm wondering, do you think deep neural networks are going to completely take over image processing in computer vision?
That is indeed a very important question, which we also need to keep asking to ourselves. As of today, our product roadmap is targeted to leverage conventional imaging techniques and combine it with AI approach, sort of in a hybrid ways. And to determine the right balance of those mix is essential to our algorithm development. Well, we do foresee that in some specific industries, which could be automotives, industrial IoTs, AI may become more dominant than the others. Ultimately, from software development perspective, we think it is important to always look for the best practical use case along with hardware to enable those approach.
Yeah, that makes sense. Heterogeneous combinations of techniques, I think, have a proven track record in many fields of engineering. So let's see this short video from Morpho to tell us a little bit more about this semantic filtering product.
So we are a software developer focusing in the area of imaging and AI. Established by a group of researchers at Tokyo University, we have been a public company since 2011. We're active in the smartphone space as well as automotives and other interesting areas such as industrial IoT, medical, etc. Today, we have been fortunate to work with top companies across industries, deploying over 3 billion IP licenses worldwide. Now, I'd like to get into semantic filtering, the product being awarded for best AI software and algorithm. This is essentially AI segmentation that can identify the semantics or meanings to each pixel categories of the object you're trying to take. You would then apply pixel processing or image quality enhancement to make the result look super clear. In conventional imaging, details could sometimes be lost due to image processing being applied to the entire image. Semantic filtering can solve this problem by combining the best of AI and computational photography to apply right algorithm at its right place. We would like to thank the Edge AI Vision Alliance for acknowledging our products. It is our deepest honor to receive this award for 3 years in a row. And special thanks to our partner, Qualcomm, for the collaboration since the initial design of concept. Lastly, we look forward to working and contributing to the growth of Edge AI and vision industry as part of the Alliance. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Toshi.
Thank you, Jeff.
And again, you'll have an opportunity to talk with Toshi and learn more about semantic filtering in our Q&A session immediately following the awards presentation. Next, the winner of the 2020 Vision Product of the Year Award for Best Developer Tool is Intel for DevCloud for the Edge. Here to accept the award for Intel is Ajay Mungara, Senior Director, Edge Software and AI. Ajay, welcome and congratulations.
Thanks, Jeff and the Alliance for the award. I'm very honored to receive and accept this award on behalf of Intel and the whole DevCloud for the Edge team.
Ajay, people often think of Edge and cloud as being kind of opposites. So this is interesting. You are using cloud to enable Edge. Kind of creative idea. What was the inspiration for this approach?
The inspiration for the DevCloud for the Edge was a response to resolving some key developer pain points and removing the complexity of the Edge AI and vision development. The goal was to make it easy to benchmark and select the right hardware to run specific workloads, resolve some of the logistics challenges, right? Eliminate the need to ship Edge devices. One of the motivations was once we shipped some Edge devices for a workshop in Asia, and it got caught in customs and logistics because of some mistake on a customs form. And then we had to reschedule the workshop. So we thought there should be a better way. It is also, the challenge was how do we get developers to get started immediately to actively prototype and experiment with AI workloads for computer vision on Intel hardware and using Intel distribution of OpenVINO toolkit. This award, in fact, validates the value of making it easy for developers to build vision-based solutions for the Edge and benchmark results on actual Edge hardware on various vectors of model accuracy, performance, power, and price. All of these pain points that developers told us, and that was the motivation behind creating this.
That's great. I love that it was a frustrating experience with customs that spurred it. That's I think many of the best inventions come out of that kind of everyday frustration. Now we'll see a short video from Intel so you can get a little bit more of a flavor for what DevCloud for the Edge is.
What if you could try Intel hardware before you buy? You can. Introducing Intel DevCloud for the Edge, an online sandbox with our latest processors. Dedicated physical hardware, no simulations, waiting for you in the cloud. It comes with the tools you need for AI including the Intel distribution of OpenVINO Toolkit. Learn, explore, and develop your own AI and computer vision apps. Upload your data, models, and applications, then run them in a state-of-the-art testbed. Try different hardware, experiment with mixed processors, compare performance. DevCloud makes it easy to develop faster, find the right processor, slash your time to deployment, and lower your costs. There's nothing to buy, no subscriptions. It's easy to get started. Sign up today. Intel DevCloud for the edge. Our hardware, your sandbox.
Very cool. Thank you, Ajay.
Thank you.
Ajay and his team will be available in a Q&A session at the end of this awards presentation for the second half hour. And now, the winner of the 2020 Vision Product of the Year Award for Best Automotive Solution is Horizon Robotics for Journey 2. Here to accept the award for Horizon Robotics is Will Lin, Director of Product Marketing and Planning. Will, welcome and congratulations.
Hey, thanks, Jeff, to you and the Alliance. We're very honored to receive this award and to be recognized in our focus to create a world-class automotive SoC.
Will, there are so many types of vehicle automation now, from basic driver assistance to fully self-driving cars, many steps in between. What part or parts of this market is Horizon focused on, and why?
Yeah, thanks for that great question, Jeff. We created the Journey 2 along with our perception software stack to address actually all kind of market needs, from different levels of ADAS and fully self-driving. Perhaps more specifically, Horizon Journey 2 SoC is best suited for usage in SAE Level 2 ADAS applications, such as lane departure warning and camera-based automatic emergency braking. You will find Journey 2 powered vehicles on the road later this year. Separately, to address the perception need of robotaxi and other fully autonomous transportation as a service vehicle fleets, Journey 2 SoC is embedded within our Matrix 2 autonomous driving compute platform, which is a passively cooled, vibration-tested, and vehicle fleet-ready solution. Combined with our Open Explorer toolkit, developers will be able to leverage the advantage of Journey 2 with their own algorithms, and you will find Journey 2 and Matrix 2 in robotaxi, robo-shuttle, and delivery vehicle fleets.
Great. It's wonderful to see this technology really start to get rolled out. We've got a short video here from Horizon Robotics, so you can learn a little bit more about this Journey 2 product that's the winner of this year's Vision Product of the Year Award for Best Automotive Solution.
Hello, everyone. I'm Harvey Lu, Head of Business Development at Horizon Robotics. We are very excited that Horizon's Journey 2 AI processor won the Vision Product of the Year award as the best automotive solution. This is the second year in a row we win this award, which makes it even more special to us. Horizon Robotics was founded in 2015 and is a pioneer and a global leader in edge AI computing, with a strategic focus on ADAS, autonomous driving, and in-cabin artificial intelligence. Journey 2 is a new generation of edge AI processor at the core of energy-efficient, cost-effective, and high-performance inference solution we offer to the smart mobility market. It features the Horizon Original Deep Learning Engine BPU, or Brain Processing Unit. Journey 2 design followed a novel approach of co-development and co-optimization, which resulted in a holistic AI performance optimization, going far beyond raw engine tops. Journey 2 enabled the effective processing of modern deep learning models, using vision and LiDAR perception for object detection, object classification, and pixel-level segmentation. Journey 2 can support a comprehensive front camera perception at 30 frames per second, at less than 60 millisecond latency, and under 2.5 watts of power. Several Journey 2 can be designed together to enable 360 degrees vision perception. For example, with 8 narrow field of view camera and 4 surrounding view fisheye camera. Journey 2 is qualified AEC-Q100 Grade 2 automotive quality standard and is already in production in OEM vehicles today. Our global customers are designing Journey 2 in ADAS, in-cabin AI, robotaxi, and deliver robots applications. We want to thank again for the Alliance for this award, and we are looking forward to meeting our customers and partners to create great smart mobility solutions together. Thank you.
Thank you, Will.
Thanks, Jeff.
Once again, I want to congratulate our 5 winning companies: NVIDIA, iniVation, Morpho, Intel, and Horizon Robotics. Well done. This concludes the 2020 Vision Product of the Year Awards presentation. Now you have a unique opportunity to speak directly with senior representatives from the winning companies to ask your questions and learn more about their products and technologies. To do so, we've set up separate Zoom conference calls with each of the 5 winning companies. You can enter one of these calls by using the bit.ly links that you see in green on this slide. Or if you want to just use telephone to listen in, you can access through the phone numbers and using the meeting IDs and passwords listed here. When you've finished in one breakout room, you can exit that one and enter another one to speak with another company if you'd like. For clickable versions of these links, look in your email. You should have just received an email message from us in the last 15 minutes or so with these links. Or access the web page listed on the right-hand side of this slide in the inside the box, and you'll find all of the other links and details on that single web page. I hope to see you and hear you in the Q&A sessions with each of the 5 winning companies, and I'd like to thank you for joining us for this 2020 Vision Product of the Year Awards ceremony.